everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to minimize YouTube on your Android phone so you can keep watching videos while using other apps. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. First method is using picture-in-picture PIP mode. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Now play any video you like. Let me go with this one for now. Now press the three-line button at the bottom left. Now drag this section and drop it wherever you like. The video will shrink into a small floating window. This is called picture-in-picture mode. You can drag it by holding onto this blue bar at the top or resize it through the corner. Once you're done, again tap the three-line icon at the bottom left and just swipe away. Second method is using YouTube Premium. If you have YouTube Premium, you can minimize the app and the audio will keep playing in the background. Simply start a video, then lock your screen or switch to another app. The sound will continue playing. And that's it. You can minimize YouTube either with picture-in-picture mode or with YouTube Premium's background play. Try it out and make multitasking much easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.